just constant rolling thunder. That's all it is. And that little light there's a street light.
Oh.
No, it just keeps making thunder
Wow,
noise.
you can see the lightning over here.
Like there's so much lightning that
Oh
it's
my gosh.
it's like
Probably
there's all
shouldn't
cloud to cloud lightning. No. It's all cloud to cloud lightning.
see it.
I mean, it's just unbelievable. And there's no silence. It's just constant thunder. I said, this is like a supernatural storm. I've never seen anything like this. I mean, this is crazy. I didn't think anything like this was possible. What does Dad think? Did he see? Oh, you gotta wake him up for this.
Is it happening up there too?
She says it's happening up there too. Oh my goodness. Alright, well we better go in. There's